In this example, we are asked to write down the expansion of the expansions shown. So first we will look at part A, where we have x plus y in between brackets to the power 4. So we know the coefficient in this scenario, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1, and that's represented in the form of a plus b to the power 4. So in this scenario, for the 1, we would have x to the power 4, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So here we would have x to the power 4, and we would have also 4x to the power 4y, x squared, y squared, and we would have also xy cubed, and we also have, for the 1, we would have y to the power 4. So in this scenario, we would have the answer being 1x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 4y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4xy cubed plus 1y to the power 4. And this will be our answer for this question. For part B, we have the expression of p plus q to the power 5, and we know for a plus b to the power 5, in this scenario we would have also 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So in this scenario, for us to express them, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So we would have in this scenario p to the power 5, and we have also for the second term that will be p to the power 4q. Then we would have p cubed q squared, and then we would have also p squared q cubed, and then we would have p q to the power 4, and then we would have q to the power 5. So for us to represent this, that would give us p plus q to the power 5. That would give us 1p to the power 5 plus 5pq plus 10pq plus 10pq plus 5pq, and then we will add the powers to them very shortly. 1q, so that's a 5, and we have the p to the power 4, and then we have p to the power 3, q to the power 2, and we have p to the power 2, q to the power 3, and then pq to the power 4, and 1 pq to the power 5. And this will be our answer for this question. This example, we asked to write down the expansion for the expression shown. So first we look at part C. So we have a minus b to the power 3. So we know for a plus b to the power 3 will be the coefficients of 1, 3, 3, and 1. So for us to look at how we would look at this, we would have a to the power 3, and then we would have a minus b, and also a minus b here, and we also have minus b here, so they will be cubed, and here we have a squared b, and then we have a b squared. So in this scenario we would have a minus b cubed equal 1a to the power 3, and minus a squared b, and we would have plus a b squared, and we would have also minus b cubed, and this will be our answer for this expression. And this now we have 3 here, and we also have 3 here. for part D, we have the expressions of x plus 4 to the power 3. So we know the coefficients would be 1, 3, 3, and 1. So the way we would find this, we would have x to the power 3. So in this scenario, we would have x to the power 3, and we would have x squared 4, and then we would have x4 squared, and we would also have 4 to the power 3. So for x plus 4 cubed, we would have 1x cubed plus 3x squared. So in this scenario is 4, so that will give us 12x squared plus 4 squared, that's 16, multiplied by 3, that would give us 48x plus 64. And this will be our answer for this expression. In this example, we are asked to write down the expansion of the expression shown, which will be in the binomial expansion. So we have for part E, we have 2x minus 3 in between brackets to the power 4. So that will be represented using Pascal's triangle in the form of the power 4. So the coefficients will be 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So for us to express this, we have 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So for us to do that, so the A will be 2x to the power 4. And we have also here 2x cubed and multiplied by minus 3. And for the sixth, we have in this scenario the 2x cubed squared and minus 3 squared, and we also have the 4 to be 2x and the minus 3 squared, and for the 1 we would have the minus 3 to the power 4. This scenario should be cubed. So for us to simplify this expression, that would give us 2x minus 3 to the power 4 to be 1, 2x cubed, so that should give us 2x to the power 4, that will give us 16x to the power 4, plus take away 96x cubed plus 216x squared minus 216x plus 81, and this will be our answer. For part F, we have the expression of a plus 2 to the power 5. So the coefficients in this scenario will be a plus b to the power 5. So that will give us 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So for 1, 10, 5, 1. So for 1, we will have a squared. For the 5, we would have a to the power 4, 2, and we also have for the 10 will be a cubed 2 squared, and we would have a squared 2 cubed. Then we have a in the scenario a 2 to the power 4, and then we have 2 to the power 5. So for us to express this, we have a plus 2 to the power 5 being equivalent to 1a squared plus 5 multiplied by 2, so that will give us 10a to the power 4 plus 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 4, so that would give us 40a cubed plus 2 cubed, so that will be multiplied 8, so that will be 8 multiplied by 10, so that will be 80a squared plus 80a plus 32. And this fully will be our answer for this expression. In this example, we need to find a binomial expansion for the expression shown. So first we look at part G. So we have 3x minus 4 to the power 4. So we can represent it using the Pascal's triangle. So to the power 4, the coefficients will be 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So we look at 1, so that will be 3x to the power 4. And for 4, that will be 3x cubed minus 4. And for the 6, we would have 3x by minus 4, and they will be both squared. And for the 4, it will be 3x and minus 4. In this scenario, the minus 4 will be cubed, and then for the 1, we would have minus 4 to the power 4. So in this scenario, to write it down, we have 3x minus 4 to the power 4. So that would give us 81x to the power 4 minus 432x cubed plus 864x squared minus 768x, and also plus 256, which will be the simplified expression version of the expression. This will be our answer. For part H, we have 2x minus 3y to the power 4. So the coefficients will be, in this scenario, 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So for us to express it, that would give us for the 1, it would give us 2x to the power 4, and for the 4, it would give us 2x by minus 3y, and for the 6, it would be 2x by minus 3y, and for the 4, 2x and minus 3y, and also for the 1, it would give us minus 3y, which will be to the power 4, and here it will be to the power 3, to the power 2, power 2, and then to the power 3 here. So to simplify this expression, we have 2x minus 3y to the power 4. That would give us 2x to the power 4. That would give us 16x to the power 4 minus 96x cubed y plus 216 x squared y squared minus 216 x y cubed and plus 81 y to the power 4, and this will be our answer for this expression.